Welcome back to the channel. If you're self-employed and want to maximize your tax savings, one of the biggest questions you'll face is, how do I write off my vehicle expenses in TurboTax Self-Employed? Should you use the actual expense method or the standard mileage method? In this 2025 full guide, I'll break it all down step by step and show you exactly how to make the right choice inside TurboTax. Let's dive right in. First, log in to your TurboTax Self-Employed account. From your home screen, head to the Federal section. Scroll down until you see the category called Cars and Other Things You Own. This is where you'll find your vehicle deductions. Click on Car Registration Fees, then hit the Start button. TurboTax will now launch its Vehicle Expense Wizard and walk you through a series of guided questions. Here's where it gets important. You'll need to choose between the actual expense method and the standard mileage method. So, what's the difference? The actual expense method means you'll deduct the real costs of using your vehicle for business. That includes things like gas, oil changes, repairs, tires, insurance, and even depreciation. To use this method, you need detailed records and receipts because you'll be entering exact amounts. The upside is, if you drive a vehicle with high operating costs, this method often gives you a larger deduction. On the other hand, the standard mileage method is much simpler. TurboTax applies a fixed IRS mileage rate for every mile you drive for business. For 2025, this rate is automatically updated in TurboTax. All you need is a mileage log showing your business miles. If you have a fuel-efficient car or don't want to track every single expense, this method is quick and effective. TurboTax will ask if you have your mileage log or receipts ready. Once you confirm, the program will guide you step by step, filling in either your total expenses or your total miles driven. Once you've chosen the method that works best for you, TurboTax will apply the deduction directly to your Schedule C. And just like that, you've successfully written off your vehicle the right way. And that's it. If you want the maximum deduction and don't mind tracking receipts, go with the actual expense method. If you prefer something fast and simple, the standard mileage method is your friend. Either way, TurboTax Self-Employed makes the process smooth and easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're team actual expense or standard mileage this year. I'll see you in the next tutorial.